Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. I'm here with my friend Robbie. Robbie, thank you so much for taking the time.
Good to see you, Jeff.
We're at the Sierra Pacific booth in Las Vegas at the International Builder Show 2024. And this is Sierra Pacific's product called the multi-slide.
Multi-slide door.
Define for those who maybe don't know, what is a multi-slide door?
So you've got multiple panels. They can be set up in different arrangements. All slide one way, this way, that way. We also have them where they can pocket in the wall, so that these panels are completely removed. So it really brings the outdoors to the inside, or the inside to the outdoors.
I got you. So in other words, multi-slide meaning it's not just one.
Nope.
Like all of these can move. Will that one move too?
Well, it would if it was pocketing.
Okay,
all of them would slide into a cavity in the wall.
Okay, I've got to tell you, something about this is really interesting to me is just how well that thing glides.
Oh yeah,
too.
one finger. Just a little push.
Why, are you like a muscle man, a weightlifter or something?
CrossFitter.
Okay, CrossFitter, okay.
Used to be,
this is really,
retired.
This is really cool. This is really cool. So for those who don't know, Sierra Pacific.
Yes.
Tell me about the company.
Yes, privately held company. Red Emerson is the founder, owner of the company. We are the single largest landowner in the United States. We own 2.2 million acres of timberland.
Wow.
What people may not know about Sierra Pacific Windows, we're a subsidiary of Sierra Pacific Industries,
okay, gotcha.
which is the largest producer of interior millwork and molding and door jambs. And we rank up in the top 3 for dimensional lumber production as well.
So if I went to my house and I took off my sheetrock and I looked at my studs, there's a good chance.
A very high probability that you're going to have Sierra Pacific products in your home.
So if I already, I mean, in a sense, I've already done business with you.
You have.
Yeah.
And all your interior door jambs,
yeah,
more than likely they came from us. I think we supply like 70% of the market.
Okay, so this comes in wood on the inside, because you're a wood window and door company.
Wood fiber and company.
But we don't want wood on the outside, right? I mean, in most cases, because it won't last.
Right,
so
a lot of maintenance.
Yeah, a lot of maintenance. What is this then? What is this product?
So this is an aluminum clad product.
Okay.
That's powder coated, which is completely different than paint coated.
Well,
so powder coating is much more durable, and it comes in different finishes as far as protection goes. So this particular product, you're going to get in 2605.
Yeah.
That gives you a 30-year warranty on fade and chalking finish.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so in case you don't know, AMA, American Architectural Manufacturers Association, has some standards, some guidelines, so that we're all using the same ruler to measure our products by.
That's right.
One of them is they have 2 standards for, actually more than 2, but 2 that are commonly used for powder coat finishes, 2604, which is what everyone uses, and then 2605, except for you. You guys use 2605. So a lot of companies do that as an option, right? Like an upgrade.
Sure. Some people even, there's a couple companies out there that use 2603, which is really doesn't give you much warranty at all. It's like a appliance finish that when exposed to sun, you're going to chalk and fade within 2 years. And most people's mortgages are longer than 2 years.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But a builder usually gives you a 2-year warranty, so he's not really worried about that.
No.
So if you're a builder, you should consider something better than a 2603. If you're a homeowner, you should consider at least a 2604. And if you really want an ultra premium product, it's not just going to last longer, but from what I can see, a 2605 actually looks richer.
Yes.
Same color, same everything. A 2605 is like saying 3 coats of paint instead of 2 coats of paint.
Yeah, technically it sounds like that.
It may just be my imagination, but when I look at a 2605 next to 2604, I feel like I can see the difference.
You can see a little bit of like a depth in the color.
There's more depth. It feels more richer.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We're on the same page.
Well, it's been terrific. I really enjoy what you guys are doing.
Yes.
They have over 60 colors available on this. Some interior finish stuff. This one's got a great color. What's this one called?
This one is Urban Bronze
painted
interior.
Okay.
We just are announcing 8 new pre-finished colors, so you don't have to have black or white. We have really designer colors, and then we also offer stains.
Okay.
So for those that really want a traditional stained wood interior, we offer those as well.
And here's where I think you guys have an advantage over a lot of the aluminum window and sliding door manufacturers, because there are a lot of aluminum products. You've seen my videos about them. I sell them. I like them. There's a lot of great aluminum products that do what you're doing here. But what I think what they lack is they lack the ability to have a lot of diversity on color, right?
Right.
You're usually going to get a black, or you're going to get an anodized Here
Sure.
you guys have over 60 colors.
Yes.
And wood is paintable. I can paint wood any color I want on the inside.
Or you can bring me a color that may not be on our color chart. We'll custom match it for you.
Okay, you guys are terrific.
Yes, sir.
You do great work.
Thank you, Jeff.
If you'd like to see some more of their products, visit my showroom here in Houston. If you don't live in the area, check out the windowexperts.com where you can learn more about their products and great window companies all over the country. We can point you in the right direction. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you again, Robbie.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Appreciate you.